Mr. Solicitor, just make sure, because even last time Learned Counsel had said that the dead body challan, that statutory form, was in fact shown to the Calcutta High Court. So ensure that your counsel there actually traces what was produced for the Calcutta High Court and hands it over to you, because has some bearing on what you have stated in the status report.
Because we are not given that copy.
Or if there's any dispute about
When
the
CBI, when the local police handed over,
You can hand it over to the solicitor right now.
depends.
I don't want to speak out of turn, Malas. This is an entire misstatement, but as and when your lordship give me opportunity.
Let the CBI, he has something in his custody.
Yes.
CBI will look into it.
Yes, absolutely, Malas. That
we have made a
5371 was handed
specific
over is a complete misstatement.
that when
Anyway.
we were given the documents by the Calcutta police, this is not what is given to us.
Right. What we will do is, apropos what the concerns are which have been expressed, we'll first record a short order. Please send a message across that the reason why we are not recording detailed reasons is simply because we do not want the investigation to be dislocated. Any word which we will say here should not put someone who is under scrutiny on guard and ultimately destroy the very cause for which all of you are appearing over here. But please rest assured that a lot of issues which you have raised in your in the letter by the parents, by Learned Counsel before us, is something which CBI has also flagged in the status report. But we will ensure that your letter, for instance, is looked into by the investigating officer, because there is a specificity about that letter.
Certain things are already done, but my lord, I'm not.
But it should be looked at, yes.
What happens is their statement goes on record.
No, but the Calcutta police must also now cooperate with the CBI, because they want the entirety of the footage.
Malas, it's all there. Malas, given, Malas, 7 to 8 hours of footage is given.
Why would they?
Malas,
So footage.
Ask your police
Yes.
team. Has the Asta, 1 second. Has the DVR been handed over to
Yes. This is what happens. Malas, the statement is made that it is not handed over. It is handed over in front of people. Malas, it is not as doctors.
7 minutes, my lord. My director.
What's the fault? 7 to
My
8 hours.
director is here.
8 hours.
Not fair.
Just the storage device.
Handed over. DVR, not just the CCTV.
Everything is handed over.
Challan is not used. It's a
Now, Lord,
slip.
We have a taking over document here.
Which has been signed
Malas,
by CBI.
1 second.
But that DVR.
We have a taking over document signed by CBI.
DVR has only 27 minutes.
What they are saying is this, that the DVR was handed over, but it has only a recording of 27 minutes footage.
It was sealed, Malas. It was sealed.
But
They have opened it.
Maybe so it was sealed, but nobody can claim that, well, CBI has destroyed any.
We are
part
not
of
saying
it.
that, Malas. We are not saying that.
But therefore, CBI is saying,
But when they say I
out
don't
of
have,
what was sealed and given to us, there's only 27 minutes.
not true.
7 to 8
Search and seizure.
7 to 8 hours.
Search and seizure.
Hard drive,
But it
7
is
to 8
relevant.
hours.
8 hours.
Because, my lord, the
Hard drive.
4 hard drives
seizure
are
of
given, Malas. What's the
samples
point of this
is
kind of?
relevant.
But then, Mr. Solicitor, this is a matter for further investigation.
Yes, you
You have the SHO in your custody.
Yes. Otherwise, things go on record.
Spot map handed over. Requisition slip handed over with the dead body.
Anything that can also be written.
Of course.
There are two distinct things. Brother
Yes.
Manoj Mishra
Yes,
pointed it out.
yes.
One is the video footage of the search and seizure.
Correct.
Independent of that, you have the DVR of the CCTV
Yes.
of the hospital, the medical
Yes.
college, particularly around the seminar room.
Hold on. Don't.
Now, 1 second. We therefore want to know, has the DVR of the CCTV footage
Yes,
been
handed
handed over to the
one
CBI?
pen drive
Because
as it is.
entire
Malas, kindly-
CBI says, when CBI says that we have
Malas, I'll
27
read it. Malas.
27 minutes of the raw footage of the search and seizure,
Correct.
that they do not dispute about
Correct.
27 minutes.
Correct.
When has the DVR of the CCTV at the hospital been
That
handed
is-
over to the
yes.
CBI is what we want to know.
Malas, on 14th of August, One pen drive of capacity 32 GB, SanDisk cruiser blade containing CCTV footage of camera number that installed at the northern wall of male ward department of respiratory medicine at third floor of emergency building of RG Medical College, having coverage of the entrance of the Department of Pulmonary, etc., handed over, signed by them. Then
That
second-
is-
One
does not cover the
One
seminar
second.
hall.
Just a second. From what you disclose,
Yeah.
it appears that footage in relation to one camera outside the
If you
department.
allow me
The seminar hall.
Allow me
That's
to
the
read the
problem.
rest, Mullah.
All right, go ahead and
The
see.
rest.
Yes.
You-
Because
I
up
just
to now.
read one paragraph.
All right, just read out the rest.
Yeah, the rest is one pen drive of capacity 32 GB. This cruiser is containing the copy of the CCTV footage as mentioned in item 1 of seizure list dated so and so.
That's only.
White seizure list dated so and so. One pen drive of capacity 32 GB, SanDisk cruiser blade containing CCTV footage of camera 16 installed at the ground floor on the eastern side wall of the main entrance admission ticket counter of emergency building of RG Hospital, behind the drinking water kiosk, facing towards southwest direction, covering the main entrance gate of KCRG, handed over. Then one pen drive of capacity 32 GB, this cruiser blade made pen drive containing copy of CCTV footage as mentioned in item 3 of seizure list dated 11, handed over. But then what is the point of saying?
Why would all
One
cameras?
second.
Further.
May I say this?
Yes.
You have identified the specific cameras in relation to which,
All of
All
them.
of them.
is it your statement that nothing remains with this?
Yes,
Kolkata police?
yes, all of them handed over. All of them.
All cameras.
All
They have signed
cameras,
off on it.
camera suggesting the
Part of the
seminar
diary,
room.
they
Let
have
them
signed
make a
off on it.
statement, my lords.
Why don't you read? Why just we give it, Malaj?
Yes.
Handed over and signed off by them.